I'm here today to talk about Social Security's function report, which is one of the most important pieces of paperwork that you will need to complete if you file for Social Security disability. When you apply for disability, one of the things Social Security is required to look into is how your medical impairments affect your day-to-day life. Often, your medical records don't contain any explanation of how your different impairments interfere with your ability to do things such as take care of household chores or go grocery shopping. Social Security's function report is designed to provide you with an opportunity to kind of paint a picture of what a day in the life is like for someone living with the impairments that you have. Function report typically arrives about a month after you apply for disability. It is very important that you take the time to complete this thing thoroughly and answer every question. If you run out of room, don't be afraid to get another piece of paper and keep on going. I've been doing this for 11 years now, and I filled out a function report last month. Still took me nearly 2 hours. It's not the sort of thing that gets quicker with repetition. So the function report is very important because everything you put in there, you're going to be held to those statements at subsequent stages of your disability application. So if in, let's say, January, you complete a function report and about what you can or cannot do due to your health problems, and then 11 months later, you're sitting in front of a disability judge in your disability hearing, and they are asking you similar questions to what was in the function report, what they're looking for is consistency in your statements. If your statements are consistent with what you reported earlier when you're before the judge is more likely to find you credible and more likely to grant your case. If the judge can point to inconsistencies in your statements, then the judge has the option to say, oh, this person is exaggerating their symptoms. I'm not going to grant their application for benefits. So, form itself, I got one right here, always nice to have visual aids, is in 4 parts. Section A, just your general information, name, address, age. Section B, information about your illnesses, injuries, or conditions. How do your illnesses, injuries, or conditions limit your ability to work? That's what the crux of this is. That's what we want to see that your medical records don't contain. That's the story. Those are only you know the answers to that question. How is this getting in the way of me both working 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, and just functioning around the house or apartment?